Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Doing another unboxing video today of an RC car I picked up from eBay recently. This might be the best RC car you can buy on eBay for under $100. I paid $93 and just arrived and got to my house, so I'm going to do a little unboxing. So special shout out to Budget RC who made a video about these RC cars. So these are a bunch of RC cars you can get on eBay that are basically originally like $140, but on eBay they're typically somewhere between like $65 and $95. So the one I got is pretty much just a returned version of an RC car you can get regularly for $140, and but they do have other ones with like basically damaged parts or missing parts or whatever, so you gotta be a little careful on which one you pick up. But if you find the right one, you can get a pretty good deal. So what did I get? The Horizon Hobby AMP MT 110 scale 2-wheel drive monster truck. Amp the excitement. So this is the very first ECX I've ever owned. Let's get it out of the cardboard box. Throw it down. ECX is a Horizon Hobby brand, obviously. Horizon Hobby is the largest ownership group of RC vehicles. They own a lot of the biggest RC brands. Their flagship brand is Low C or TLR, but they also own Axial, which is the largest crawler brand. They own Arma, which is probably the largest basher brand. They own just a bunch of other different stuff. So ECX is their I guess budget line. Used to be called Electrics, and I don't know if they got acquired by Horizon or they originated themselves, but yeah, they sell this little car, the AMP MT. So let's get everything out of the box. You get an RC car, you get a little radio, and then a box of tools and stuff. Looks like some kind of, what is this, the charger? Tiny little charger. I think it's like a 200 milliamp charger, so you definitely want to get something a little better than that. Let's kind of pop open what's in the goodie bag. So what these are a bunch of vehicles sold by an eBay seller called RC4U77, and as near as I can tell, RC4U77 basically sells like returned Horizon Hobby stuff. So things that are either damaged or missing parts, or in this case something that just got returned that's complete, but they can't sell it as new anymore. But you can buy like new vehicles for much less. So this car is originally $140. I got it for $93. So you're saving about $50 off something. So let's do a little bit of water or something. Anyways, yeah. So ECX comes in a couple different platforms. This is their AMP line. They make a buggy and stadium truck version. I think it's called the Boost and Circuit, or the DB and Circuit. And wow, it looks pretty nice overall. Comes with the battery, of course, some warning labels. So yeah, I mean, if you look at this, this is pretty much a like new vehicle that's just been returned. I mean, even the underneath the chassis is completely clean. The tires might have a little bit of dirt on them, but overall, pretty much a brand new car. And you got to be a little careful when you look online. Some of them are missing parts, or the cool thing is they'll actually test the car out for you and let you know what is actually missing or broken. But you can find ones like this which are complete and in perfectly working condition and fully tested. So it's a decent car. So here's a little nickel metal hydride battery, 1800 milliamp hours. The little battery tray. So it comes with these neat little quick release screws here. Integrated ESC and receiver. So if the receiver goes out on you, you will have to replace the whole thing, or if the ESC goes out on you, you will have to replace the whole thing. Let's take a look at the radio. Looks like all the main adjustments you want. Steering reversing, throttle reversing, low battery light, and then adjustments for throttle and steering, dual rate, and trim, and then a little on-off switch. So this is probably the smallest radio I've ever seen. not super, not really the nicest radio, but it's small, it's compact, I'll give it that. I imagine you put batteries, how the heck do you put, oh, here we go. Looks like batteries go into the pistol grip. Oh, it actually comes with batteries, that's cool. Let's see if this actually turns on. So you gotta flip this up, uh-oh. Looks like somebody just left this on, so yeah. Unless the batteries are reversed, the batteries are probably dead. We'll need to get some double A's. Let's look into the truck itself. As I mentioned, you can also get a buggy and stadium truck version, and then the other main two-wheel drive line from ECX is the Ruckus and Tournament line, which is kind of a longer chassis with a raised high center of gravity plastic chassis. So two-wheel drive, obviously, nothing powering the front. Nice thick A-arms up front, non-adjustable tie rods or turnbuckles. These are fixed, which is fine for a basher. Looks like we got, yeah, full bob bearings in the hubs. They're going to run nice and smooth. Adjustable body post here. Nice thick shock tower. Plastic shocks with preloaded spacers, it looks like. Let's feel the damping. A little bouncy up front. Probably needs a little thicker shock oil. Rear seems a little oversprung. Don't know if there's any foams in this. I cannot really feel any foams. Rear motor design, 20-turn brushed motor, of course. It's got a differential inside there. Plastic drive shafts all the way around. I don't know what this little glue or water, oh, it must be a little bit of oil dripping or something, because I got a little oil in there. Basic ESC on-off switch. I'm not sure what kind of servo this is. And I'm not, oh, I see. The servo saver is on the steering rack itself. I would assume it's a plastic servo. Let's see if we can see what it says. Wow, very weak servo saver. I can't tell what kind of a servo it is. Looks like maybe a Spectrum S607. Have to check out the specs on that. Plastic gears in the transmission, so they do make metal upgrades if you want to run brushless power. One cool thing about this truck that most other vehicles in this price range do not have is a slipper clutch, so that will help protect the transmission, help protect the drive shafts a little bit. Other cars I've tested in this price range, and I actually have videos on this, are the Red Cat Racing Piranha and the Arma, what's it called? The Phazon Voltage. They were both under $100. And so, you know, I'm sort of on the quest to find the best RC car under $100, and this is definitely one of the candidates. It's cheating a little bit because this one is like pre-owned, it's a return version, but you can get these pretty regularly under $100 because RC4U77, for whatever reason, is just always carrying these. I'm guessing they have some kind of relationship with Horizon Hobby because they just sell a ton of basically used or returned Horizon Hobby stuff. So either they are Horizon Hobby themselves or they just have an agreement to resell their stuff. So pretty neat that you can get this quality of a vehicle for under $100, and we're going to do some testing. So anyways, that's my unboxing of the ECX AMP MT. They also make two other versions, the buggy and stadium truck, if you don't like this version. They also make another color. I got the orange and red and white, but they also make a black and green and silver looking one that also looks pretty sharp. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna test it out, try it out, and see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel as always. Hit the add notifications button, share with your friends, and look for more videos soon.